morning, good afternoon and good evening. It's Lee from Magnetic North Magnet Fishing, and today I'm going to be doing a mudlark video in a shallow stream, brook, shallow water course. And I am near a railway, and that's always a good place that you can get bits and bobs out the water, and an old dump site. So this is the old dump pit site. As you can see, there's just bits of debris, batteries, glass, bone, bottles, broken bottles. There's a Bovril one there, look. Fragment of a doll's head. Just found that. I'm not sure what it was. Looks like a cartwheel from a toy, maybe a tractor. And just here you can see there's actual old bottles just sticking out just there. It's an old lid. There's another bottle there, bottles and things underneath as well. So there's lots of old bricks in here. So got this area deeper water. We've got this area of stuff that's washed up. So we'll just have a look. Just there. I've spotted an old grind wheel. Yep, quite an early one, all stone. Could be from the 1700s. And as we're coming along, you can see lots more debris. And I've just spotted, just there, there's a lovely little small, just here, there's a small grinding wheel. There we go. This again would be for grinding knives and things, sickles, scythes, anything that needed sharpening really. There we go. Nice. I love this. Industrial Sheffield. Now as we come along, got this area here, got a bit more debris just down here. So just here, got early animal bones, and then another one just there, and then just here you've got this. No idea what it is, feels like it's ceramic. I've just seen fragment of a bottle there, that'll go because it's glass. Just seen there's that old sauce bottle there, ABC, but because it's still intact I'll leave that for the next person. And oh, I've just seen something nice. Ooh, look at that. We've got a George V silver, 3pence, 3pence. Let's have a look at the date. 1919. Absolute belter. Whew, that doesn't matter now. Anything else is a bonus. Just don't get many of these. 1919, probably celebrating the peace of World War I when they were dumping down here. I've spotted something else down here, just here, washed up. And got small doll's face. just down here. I've just spotted just here. No, it's a bit of stone just here. There's a spoon, old spoon. And just down here in the water, you can see, yep, there's another early grinding wheel in stone. So when you are on such sites, always check with your feet what's around you, because there's a lot of bricks, a lot of debris, lots of things that you can fall on. You just never know. So again, I'm near the old dump area, and I'm just looking down, just down there, just there, something. We've got the remains of a pocket watch frame, so that would have been nice at one time, probably 1900, 1920. And as I look around down here, there is a lot of dumpage, old and new. So this is an area that I'm going to have to come back and do an environmental clean on. And there's pipes, bits of plastic, things like that. Old bricks, just lots and lots of debris. You know, that this is probably what's come from the old dump, but shouldn't be in the water, so that'll be removed some point soon. I'll keep an eye on the water levels and keep checking, go from there. But I've just seen, just down here, just there, there's the remains of a cast iron drain pipe. I have only got this bag with me today, so I'm gonna definitely come back to this location. I have been here before, but all this had not been seen in the water, so it will get removed. So again, here you can see broken insulators, broken glass. So because there are no fish in this area, I will endeavour to come and remove all this very, very soon. And as long as this water level stays this level, which is about boot level in most places, it can be done. So I'll see who's going to help me on that one. Again, there's more broken pot there. Oh, I've just seen there is a jar in the water, old stoneware, Victorian style, cream jar. Oh, yeah, intact as well. Yep, intact, it's plain, but it's nice. Into the bag. I am picking up as much as I can as I go along, so it saves less to do for another day. All this at the side of me is all done. And just down here there's another bottle, so we'll see if that's intact. No, that one sadly broken. Would have been quite nice, cough syrup. So I've just seen over here there's a bottle that's not been in terribly long. It's floating. What we got there? Carefully prepared by Keebles of Derby. There'd be a cough medicine or something. 1940s, 50s, it's got a tin lid. So I'm just letting the silk clear as I go. Oh, hang on. That's a ginger beer style. Let me come back to that in a second. I just need to put my bag down just on the edge here. So, where are we? There we are, just down there, look. And just down here, this is ginger beer. I can see it's sadly broken. It's got a print on it. Victoria Wine Company, London. Victorian ginger beer, nice. That's a beauty. Don't find many ginger beers. When I do, they're always plain. I've just spotted down here. It's a rather nice bottle. Stone trapped inside it. That's alright. It's screw top, so probably 1930s. Don't know what were in it, but it's nice. And I've seen just down there another crayfish. Just sat there. We got round here. Yep, I can see there's something there. Yep. Got a little blue bottle. 20s, 30s style. And just down here we've got, just here, natural stone, but it's rather square. That could be industrial floor. It'll go with me. And I've seen down here again, there's a smashed bottle there. And there's a little pot there. I'm just going to kick it to make sure there's nothing inside. No, nothing inside. Just some sort of crackle glazed stoneware pot. Pottery. Probably 1920s. Damaged on the top. It would have been a shearlet, but slightly damaged. An early one. Daddy's favourite sauce bottle. Bit of damage on the bottom. Still, that's going to be Victorian. 1890s, 1900. Just down here, I've just spotted something else. What we got? Oh, I just spotted this. What do you think it is? It's a remnants of a old glass train. That's ace. Never seen one of them before. 1920s. And, ooh, I've seen a coin. It's just down here. Yep. It's an old 1934 penny. I like them. So I've got my bag still on the side. I have just noticed as well there's a bit more flow on the water, so upstream it is actually starting to rise, so you always monitor that, keeps you safe. Just over here, washed up. That's it. Not to be taken, lid's cracked, 1923. Just down here there's an old blue Vicks type bottle, blue bottle for a jar. They still have these in modern plastic ones. So it's a bit of brass wire there, and as you can see there's more broken bottles there. Another broken bottle or something there. So I'll make a little pile and these will go away as well. Just down there I've seen this teaspoon, but here, oh, it's almost intact. We've got a lovely not to be taken bottle, but you know what, this one's going. Got a small chip there. That's still good display, rather nice. And there's the old teaspoon, well and truly eaten away, but it's still scrap metal. I've just seen there's a bit of broken pot there, old advertising wear, and an old grinding disc. Down here it looks like a stopper. Yep, got a hot water bottle stopper, stoneware one, pre-1930. Just seeing something here, just here. Alfred Birds and Son Limited, Birmingham. Birds lemonade crystals. Just down here, that's an old battery, glass battery. Slight damage on it. There's a lead inside it. Just here in the water there's a bottle pot. Well, that one's seen better days. Melted. And we've got another stone grinding wheel just down here. It's a glass marble, the sort that you get in a cod marble bottle, mineral water bottle, Victorian. Just down here, just seen, it looks like berries. No, there we go. So there's a bottle there. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've just got 4 stone marbles. Melton's that this is a breathing solution, 1920s. And just down there, just there's another marble. Yep, another cod marble type. There's another one just there. Some bits of pottery and things washed up. I don't know what that is. It's ceramic. And a bit of pottery. It's got writing on. More plain pottery. There's another bit here. Bit of a plate. This is nice. That is nice. It's like a green jade type glass, milk glass, 1920s. That's cool. There's another bit just here. Again, more oriental wear. About 100 years old. And just down here, Tuckwoods, Fargate, plum. So that would be Fargate, Sheffield, plum pudding. Would have been nice. I just spotted something down here. A lovely blue marble there. Probably 1930s, 40s. Just down here. Just there. Poison, not to be taken. There's another bottle there, broken. Reeds, yeah. Henderson's Relish, Sheffield. Sadly broken. It's named, it still go with me. It's still pre-1910. I've just picked up this brass army button. No name on the back. King's Crown, so First or Second World War. So down here I can see a bottle, but just here there's an old vulcanite stopper. I've not had one of these in a while, and just looking around the edge, because that's where a date would be. I can't see a date on that one, it's just plain. So that's a generic stopper, probably for a pop bottle. So just found this broken doll's head and a tent eyelet. Again, they're going to be Victorian. And a old gin bottle. With a bore on the bottom. Just clean that a bit. There we go. 1920s. Just had this medicine. Harrods Stores Limited, Brompton Road, Southwest. That's a Harrods medicine bottle. London. Nice. So, just had this green mineral. I'm not sure what that is. I've not seen any of that in this area. It could be copper. Do a lot of smelting in this area. Old egg cup. It's got a crest on it. Monogram of some sort. Needs further research. Just had this bottle. James Rudman Limited, Bristol. Got some other writing here on the side. Well, I'm out the water again and got a big pack full of bits and bobs. That silver coin, absolutely amazing. Another coin, I think 1934 if memory serves right, a penny. That ginger beer, absolutely love that, damaged or not. That's my first one with a pictorial print on it from Mudlarking. And definitely going to be back at that spot to do a bit more cleaning up, remove the iron out the water and go from there. So that'll be another time. So hope you've enjoyed this video, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I always look forward to reading what you put. So thanks again, everyone, and thank you to all my new subscribers that's recently joined. Always welcome, and always nice to see new people on there, as well as old ones as well. See you soon, folks. Bye for now.